I posted long form videos on my YouTube continuously for 1 week straight, and here are the results. Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, Marisha this side, and I make videos about self-love, confidence and lifestyle where I shoot my own life. So if you're interested, give me a follow or a subscribe. Okay? So my YouTube channel is not as big as you can clearly see. 1,000 followers भी hit नहीं हुए हैं, but I posted consistently for 1 week straight in YouTube long form, and I was also posting short form videos by the side, but they were not that consistent. They were almost alternate day, but the long form videos were going out consistently day after day. I saw insane results. Now I have had a YouTube channel for the past 3 to 4 years, but I was very inconsistent with it. So I was never posting. I was posting once in a month, then I started posting once in 6 months. So it's absolutely not consistent. So my YouTube channel was what you call dead. So there was no traction on it, there was no traffic, people were not coming. All my old YouTube videos were stuck at 100, 200, 400, 500 views, and that is all that I had on my YouTube channel. But this year I decided that I am going to be consistent with it, and I started to post every single day as an experiment, and the results are shocking. The videos that were earlier at stuck views, like 200 views, 300 views, my older videos suddenly started gaining more views. Yes, I'm not kidding. The videos that I posted in that 1 week were, none of them went viral, none of them got a lot of views. So it's not that video. Just may I tell you that, you know what, my video went viral and I did so good and my life has changed. No, I'm still at 700 subscribers. I'm still at a mediocre amount of views. But because I started being consistent, my older videos started getting views. People started discovering my channel. They started visiting my channel and watching my older videos as well, which I posted a year ago or 2 years ago. So the motive of being consistent every single day is not that you will go viral, which you will. I have full faith in myself that within the next 6 months, I can bring about a massive change in my YouTube channel. And if you want to watch my journey, I would recommend that you subscribe. But the thing here is that instead of virality, I started finding people who resonate with me. The number, theek hai, number is very important for you to earn money, to get monetized, to get brands, to become an influencer, to become a content creator who's famous enough to make a living out of it. I know all of those things are important, but more important than that is that people like me who relate to me, or my kind of people, started finding me. They started commenting on my old shorts, on my old videos. So this was an amazing shocker for me, because I believed that those videos were dead. I believed that my channel is almost dead and I will have to work so much on this. But then I realized that as soon as I started posting, YouTube was recommending my videos. Now, of course, because I had not posted for such a long time, the views are very less. You can go on my profile and check that the views are very less, but earlier they were even fewer. Earlier, my channel was not even getting eyeballs. Right now, you're watching this video, and I'm not sure if you know me, but now we know each other. This video is a sheer motivation video for you to start that thing. And the toughest part will be starting. The toughest part will be your first YouTube video, because that YouTube video has been lying in your drafts for the longest time. Your vision board can come true. Your goal list that, you know what, I want to document my life. I want to create content. I want to create something that is of my own. I want to build a community. I want to meet more like-minded people. All of those things can come true if you are consistent with it. And the videos can be shitty. Honestly, you can go and watch my channel. My videos are very raw. I am new here, right? So I don't have world-class editing. I am very bad at editing actually. The only thing that I'm good at is talking to you all like it's like I'm talking to a friend, like I'm talking to somebody I know, because that is how I feel on this YouTube channel. I feel like this is a channel of my expression, and I love that. That is the thing that draws me over and over and over. That is why I'm unable to just quit it. Even though I was so inconsistent, I was not getting views, it was zero. I didn't quit because something deep inside of me believes that it can be done. And I did this 1 week experiment and I saw it happen for me. And trust me, even if you're not going viral, you're finding a few people. And those few people are benefiting from your videos and they decide to click on that subscribe and they decide to click on that like button, or they take out 5 seconds and type a comment. Oh my god, you have no idea how much I love reading comments. They just make my day. Every morning I wake up, the first app, you will not believe me, the first app that I open is YouTube Studio, and I go down and I check whether there are new comments. I love it. I love seeing that somebody is telling me that, hey, you know what, I liked your video, or hey, you know what, how did you do this and how did you do that? And I'm like, yes girl, I will help you, or yes boy, I will help you. Yesterday somebody commented on my video that, hey, I'm from Indonesia. I was like, oh wow, that's so sweet. And that person was telling me salam from Indonesia. And that's so cute. And why would you not create content when you can? Like, you can do it. And you can build a community. And people can know you. And you can have an outlet. Why would you just not do it when you can and it's free? Because people would judge you? Fuck all those people. Honestly, yeah, it doesn't really matter. It shouldn't really matter. All those people have their own lives to care about, and if they are caring about yours more than their own, then who's the clown here? मतलब उनके पास खुद की कोई life ही नहीं है. They have nothing to do in their lives. And honestly, secretly, they actually want to be you. Whenever somebody is hating on you, they actually are jealous of you and they want to be you. And that is why they are hating on you. So just do it. Fulfill all those dreams. The key lies in being consistent, even though your content is not that good. Quantity matters in the beginning. Yes, in the beginning, quantity matters because you're getting used to it. You're getting used to the entire process of it. Like, for me, it's very easy to record, to click that button and just sit and record. I love doing it. But for me, the tough part is actually the aftermath of it. Sitting on the edit, publishing the video, then realizing that it didn't do well, it tanked. That is the tough part for me. And I never published videos. I had almost 30 videos in my video bank, short. I just had to edit them and post them, and I didn't do it for like 2 years straight. So now what I've decided for myself is that for me to be consistent, I need to cut down on my editing procedure. I cannot make the perfect Ali Abdal level editing videos. I just cannot do it because I'm a beginner and he's probably paying like thousands of dollars to his editor. I don't have that resource right now. So I am going to use this resource that I can do best. I can talk to the camera best. I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to do the most basic edits ever, like text, add, cut and paste. That is all. And just post. I don't care about editing anymore. So whatever is your blockage, if your blockage is shooting, then make it easy for you. Find a room where nobody is there so that there's no distraction. Just, make your procedure easier for you and just post and post and post and post. And your views would grow. Earlier, my account was getting like round about 1,000 views. Now, after posting 1 week consistently, my account has 13,000 views. Yes, I'm not kidding. And I have grown 100 subscribers. Now I know that sounds like such a small number to some people. Ki, Arey, what is 100? On YouTube, you need at least 100,000 and all of that. I know that. But for starters, for a small YouTube channel like mine, it is a big thing when one person subscribes to me, and it means so much. So if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for being here, which is highly unlikely because my videos don't reach my subscribers. So the amount of subscribers who watch my videos is this much and non-subscribers is this much, which is really odd. Then why would you not subscribe to me? But anyways, it's your choice. You do you, your life is your life. All I'm doing here is telling you to start and be consistent, and let's do it together. Let's do it as a challenge. Let's just post every day till the day that we can post it. Let's just do that. And it's okay if you miss a day. It's okay. Show up the next day. Show up the next day and the next day and the next day. And if you miss one day, it's okay. Show up the next day. Stop punishing yourself. Ki shit, I missed my deadline. It's okay. Do it the next time. Be kind to yourself. Love yourself. Just the way you are. I'm sure so many people are ready to give you love just the way you are. Just switch on your camera and shoot yourself. And thank you so much for watching my video till the end if you have, and I love you so much if you reached till here. And yeah, that is all. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe and all of that, because if you want to, you will. And let's build a community together.